Hey fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we got another great recipe for you guys. So, what we're cooking today is fried spare ribs. Now, this is a budget-friendly recipe, okay? So, yeah, I caught this for $5.02. So, what we're going to do is we're going to fry these spare ribs, you guys. These country-style ribs, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it because we got our pot on, and first thing I'm going to do is rinse and clean these spare ribs, and we're going to put them in a pot and we're going to let it boil. So fam, we're going to turn our heat on to medium, well, a little past medium. Okay, so now we have our spare ribs washed and ready to roll. So we're just going to submerge it in the water. Now, never mind me cooking with my nails, okay? They are definitely clean because I like clean nails, okay? So we're going to submerge our meat over in this water, just like so. We need a little more water just to cover the meat, right? Okay. Just like so. Let's fit him on in here. Okay. Well, that's good enough. Because once the process of boiling, it will catch up. So now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm only going to add meat tenderizer. That's to tenderize the meat. Because I'm only going to let it boil until it get tender. I want it to be fork tender basically. So maybe a half an hour or so. Okay. But not fall off the bone. Because we want to deep fry or just fry our ribs. So we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to let it do what it do. Yes. So if you're a first time viewer, thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, leave a comment below because I like to talk. Okay? And I'm sorry for all the ones that feel like I don't give them the right measurements or the measurements to what I'm cooking. It's not that I don't do it. I does it, and I tell you what I'm using, and I also show you what I'm using. Now, it's up to you on your measurements, okay? Because I don't know what your taste buds require, you know? So, if I say black pepper, you might like white pepper. So, anything that I introduce, and it may not be in your cabinet, kitchen cabinet, always substitute. I'm only giving you the recipe of what I cook for many years, and it's a crowd pleaser. Okay, so yeah, let's let this boil, and then we're gonna come right back to this pot of goodness, delicious spare ribs. Now guys, our ribs, I'm letting them cool, but we're gonna go ahead and do our seasoning. We're gonna season up our flour. So we're gonna add us some soul food seasoning. We're gonna add us some onion powder. Just like that. Now, I don't want to say when to stop, but we got it, okay? Now, we're going to add some garlic powder. Wait a minute, you guys. Y'all hear me talking to my grandbaby. We got some garlic powder. Okay, now you can use as much as that you like, but I'm also going to put it on my spare ribs. Just like that, black pepper. And let's not forget the paprika. Okay? Just like that. Because that's our coloring. Yeah. So we're going to mix that right on in to give our flour some seasoning, right? Okay, guys. So now we're going to add our garlic seasoning to our ribs. Just like that. We're going to add onion powder to our ribs. Just like that. We're going to add some black pepper. And we're going to add some soul food seasoning. And we're going to flip. Now doing one side is pretty much good enough. So I don't want you guys to think, oh, that's paprika. Did I add paprika? But it doesn't matter. I'm running out of seasoning, y'all. And we're going to add onion powder. And we're going to season the rest up. Just like that. Okay? Don't forget to share this video, you guys. I'm giving you easy recipes that you can enjoy with your family. So that every bite is seasoned, right? Every bite is gonna be seasoned. Y'all, I'm trying to keep the grandbaby out of the way. She's distracting me, but it's okay. Just bear with me. Okay, so we got every inch of those seasoned. Our next step is to deep fry. Okay, fam, I think our oil is ready. I already have some meat already ready to go in. Just like that, floured. This is a quick way for me to deep fry ribs. I don't want to overcrowd it, but we're gonna see if we can get a third one in here. Just like that. And we're gonna let it go ahead and do its thing, right? Y'all watch the meat for me. There we go. We're gonna let it do its cooking, and when it get brown, I'm gonna let you see. Okay, guys, let's take a look. Look at our ribs. Now look at that goldenness, you guys. Can you see it? Let me see. Can I bring it a little closer? There you go. And I'm just going to put it over here right now. So guys, here is our fried ribs, spare ribs, country ribs. You can fry them, okay? So, this looks amazing. So you guys, you can share this video, comment on this video, and most definitely join the family. I would love to have you. So leave a comment below. And anywho, don't forget to go check out the yams video, as well as the Brussels sprouts, roasted Brussels sprouts I had. I think I will leave the link in the description. But anyway, so you guys, I'm going to close this out, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye.